Hey everyone, welcome to the show. So, the Arizona Supreme Court just shot the Republicans in both feet. They just allowed an 1864 abortion law to go into effect, and it's basically just a complete and total abortion ban. The law allows only one exception, which is for the life of the mother. Other than that, nothing. There's no exceptions for rape, incest, nothing. And patients and abortion providers are facing up to 5 years in prison if they violate this law. Again, this is from 1800 and something. So Arizona's Attorney General is luckily a Democrat. Her name is Chris Mays, and she's promised that she will not prosecute anyone under this antiquated law. But Arizona's central news outlet pointed out that state county attorneys could challenge her. They could take her to court and challenge her on not prosecuting people if they want to push this issue. As of right now, Arizona has a 15-week ban. This new law will go into effect this month, very quickly. It goes into effect April 23rd. So this just made the 2024 election even more critical than it was before. It shines a huge spotlight on the radical extremist Republicans. It also comes one day after Donald Trump gave his official statement on abortion. And he said, oh, this decision should be left up to the states. Whoops. Well, this is what you get when you leave it up to the states. Pro-choice groups have been gathering signatures. They've already gathered far more than what they needed to place an amendment on the ballot in November. They needed to gather approximately 384,000 signatures by July. They already, in April, have over 500,000. So that tells you how popular the pro-choice position is. So that amendment is absolutely going to be on the ballot. And, as with the abortion ballot measure in Florida, this is bad news for Republicans. This will undoubtedly bring out a lot of younger voters to the polls, people who typically don't vote, something that Republicans want to avoid at all costs. And this new law and the ballot measure reminds voters which party's trying to take away Americans' rights and which party has gone off the deep end. It should also serve as a warning for what will happen if Trump wins, or especially if Republicans take control of the Senate and if they retain control of the House. Trump is just saying that states should decide abortion rights based on their residents. We all know he needs to remain in office for as long as he's alive or he faces time behind bars. So he's just trying to appease his most faithful voters without flat out saying, yeah, I want to do a national abortion ban. He's trying to appease evangelicals, and they're going to stick with him. They're going to even try to give him, I guarantee it, if you allowed them, they would try to give him an illegal third term in office. If that's what it takes for these people to save zygotes and allow rapists to spread their seed, their demon seed, they would do it. And he doesn't care. Trump does not care one way or the other. He will do whatever they want as long as they help him and they keep him out of prison. So, do I believe that once he got in office, he wouldn't push a national abortion ban? Hell no. He would do it in a heartbeat. So if this doesn't wake Arizonans up and get them voting blue in November, I don't know what will. But Democrats need to hang this around their necks like a flashing neon sign that these are the extremists, these are the crazy people who are forcing women and little girls to give birth to their rapist babies. This is horrific because like I said, this goes into effect this month. We now have to wait until November for the election, and then they have to change the law because it's inevitable. Every state, even the most red states we have seen over these past few years, have voted to enshrine abortion rights into their states' constitutions. This is not a close call. This is by far a majoritarian issue. It is a radical, like 30% of the country who wants this, 19th century insanity of forcing women to give birth and little girls. So anyway, I will let you know if I hear any more. Thank you all so much for watching and listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please donate if you can. Love you all. Take care. Talk with you soon.